In this video, we are going to find out the factors for a cube plus b cube. And what does this mean? Finding the factor is it is a product of more than two or two numbers. This is called the factors. And what we are going to find out is what makes a cube plus b cube the product of two numbers, or it can be more than two. This is how we are going to find out the formula for a cube plus b cube. And how we are going to find out this formula is by using two another formulas. Let me erase this one. Okay, what all those formula is? The basic formula for a plus b whole square. When we say whole square, you have to write down the parenthesis because it is very important. It is not square on each individual variable, it is on whole bracket square. And what is that formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is our first formula. And what is the next formula is a plus b whole cube. Keep in mind that this is whole cube and this is individual cube. And what is the formula for a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is how we remember. This is first a cube, b cube, then 3. First time you have to say a square b, and second time you have to say 3ab square. Now these two formulas we are going to use to find out the factor for a cube plus b cube. This is our first formula and this is our second formula. Let's take the second formula first. I am going to rewrite. Okay, this is for a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus I am going to write b cube first. Okay, so that it is easy to remember. Now I am going to take these two variables, 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now since we are finding the factors for a cube b cube, so I am going to write a cube b cube as it is here. Okay, and this is on the right side, so I am going to take the left side, which is as it is a plus b whole cube. This is I am going to move from right side to the left side, so I am going to change the sign from plus to minus. Minus 3a square b minus 3ab square. This is how the equation, since we want to find out the factor for a cube plus b cube. Now can I swap the content which is on the right side of the variable equation to the left side and left side to the right side? Yes, because it is as good as saying that x equals to y. So can I say y equals to x? Can I say y equals to x? It is same. It is let's consider x square plus y square equals to p. So I can say p equals to x square plus y square. Both are same. So in the same way, I'm going to take a cube plus b cube on the left side so that the equation can be easily understood. Okay, let's move this. Now I'm going to say this is a cube plus b cube equals to, this is the content on the right side. So I'm completely swapping whatever is there on the right side with the left side and left side with the right side. So it is going to be a plus b cube minus 3 a square b minus 3ab square. So it is as good as x equals to y. It is same as y equals to x. Now this is going to be a cube plus b cube. This is what we are going to find out the factors. Now I'm going to write this content a plus b whole cube as it is. Now I'm going to solve these two things. So what is common between these two is the 3. 3 is common between these two. And also we can take a, just a, because here it is just a to the power 1. So I'm not going to take a to the power 2 because it doesn't have the power 2. So I'm going to take just one power, a to the power 1 and b to the power 1. These two things I'm going to take. Let me rewrite. This is going to be just a and b. and I'm going to take minus sign. I will later explain what is the significance of taking the minus sign outside. Okay, for now just keep in mind that we are taking the minus sign outside the parenthesis. Hence, now divide this with 3ab and this with 3ab. How we can divide? Let's solve this separately. Okay, this is a 3a square b divided by 3ab. Now in the division, so this is 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, it is gone. B is also gone. Now a to the power 2 divided by a to the power 1. How we can divide? Because in the division we already knows the standard. Okay, in case of division we have to subtract the power, so it is going to be 2 minus 1. So this is going to be a. In the same way, let me write the first answer. It is just a, and it is going to be a positive a because we already taken the negative sign outside. So positive multiply with negative, it is going to be negative. That's the reason this is by default positive. Now again, this is negative sign already we have taken, so it is going to be positive. How we are going to solve this equation is, let me rewrite 3ab square divided by 3ab. This 3 is gone, 3 is gone, a is gone, a is gone. Now it is b square divided by b. How we can divide like this? Because it is same variable, so we can subtract the power. 2 minus 1, this is by default it is 1, so it is going to be b. So I'm going to write just b here. Now go back to the main question. We were solving the factor for a cube plus b cube. Now I'm going to write as it is, a cube plus b cube equals to, this is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. Now can you see there is one common factor between these two things? What is that? It is complete bracket a plus b, and this is complete bracket a plus b. Can I say this bracket is having the power 1? Yes, because x is as good as x to the power 1, y is as good as y to the power 1. In the same way, 8 is as good as 8 to the power 1 because it is getting repeated one time. So 8 is equals to 8 to the power 1. Now why I have taken 1 as the default power? Because if you represent one power, it is as good as a plus b. Now I'm going to write the same thing, a cube plus b cube equals to, now I'm going to take the common factor which is a plus b. Now I'm going to write the bracket, instead of parenthesis I'm going to write square bracket. We'll see later why I am writing a square bracket. Okay, since this is power 1, so a plus b whole cube divided by a plus b. Let's solve this one. This is going to be a plus b whole cube divided by a plus b. We know the formula how we can divide the variables. If it is power 1 in the division, then we have to subtract the power. It is going to be a plus b as it is 3 minus 1, because here it is also same a plus b. In the denomination also it is same. So I'm going to subtract the power. 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is going to be a plus b whole square. Okay, let me write this as a plus b whole square, because 3 it is minus 1, it is going to be 2. Now minus 3ab. What happen if we divide a plus b power 1 divided by a plus b power 1? It is as good as we are crossing this one. Let's say here a plus b as it is and a plus b. So it is power 1, it is power 1. So we can say a plus b 1 minus 1, it is going to be a plus b to the power 0. Anything power to the 0, it is going to be just 1. So it is going to be just 1. Okay, now I'm going to write the square bracket. Let me erase this one so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now take this bracket as it is. and we will try to solve further. Okay, a cube plus b cube equals to, this is a plus b as it is, and I'm going to solve whatever the content is there within the bracket. I'm going to say a plus b square minus 3ab. Okay, now how we can solve this equation is, we know the formula for a plus b square. We already seen during the start of this video. So how we can say a plus b as it is. Now a plus b square I'm going to write here. So it is going to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first thing, and the minus 3ab. Now it is the complete square bracket. The significance of writing a square bracket is to distinguish, okay, we have multiple things to be solved. So within that square bracket, we represent this is a small thing we are going to solve further, and then we are going to put within the square bracket. So this is how we are going to solve one by one. Now I'm going to say a plus b, and square bracket I'm going to write as it is. This is going to be just a square plus 2ab plus b square, and there is nothing to multiply, so I'm going to write as it is minus 3ab. This is the complete square bracket. So we solve just the parenthesis. Now it is going to be a plus b as it is. So it is no more going to be square bracket because nothing is there inside to further solve. So I'm going to write again a parenthesis instead of a square bracket. We know this is the same kind of variable 2ab, and here also it is ab. How we can subtract is plus 2ab minus 3ab. What will be the result? Okay, first I'm going to write a square plus b square. This is going to be a square plus b square. Now plus 2ab minus 3ab, what it is? It is going to be minus ab. We'll solve this one. Okay, if we don't understand what does this mean is, let's consider this is plus 2ab minus 3ab. In case of addition and subtraction, keep in mind that the same kind of variable it should be. It is a product of AB. Here it is also a product of AB. That's the reason we can subtract and add these two. So the higher sign is minus. So I'm going to put minus, and 3 minus 2 is 1, and AB is AB. So 1 into AB is as good as minus AB. But keep in mind that this is going to be minus. That's the reason we have written minus AB. So we got the answer. What is the answer is a cube plus b cube. This is what we are going to factorize. It is a product of a plus b and a square plus b square minus ab. This is how we can solve the equations. So we got a formula for a cube plus b cube. It is in the form of the product of a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square, because some people they are writing as a square first, then minus ab, then plus b square. So this is how we can find the equation for a cube plus b cube. And in the further exercise, we are going to solve the exercise number 6.2. Okay, this is the important exercise, and in this exercise we are going to use these formulas. So this is going to be the third formula. In the next video we'll take the exercise number 6.2.